Morning folks, how you all doing? So, I'm back in the field, although to you I've never left the field because that was the last video I uploaded. Been having a bit of a time as of recently. I know I said in the last video about Leon going, but it's played out how it's played out and he's not gone yet. So got let down, but it's all good. Anyway, so what I've decided to do is have a bit of a spontaneous meet-up again in this field. So back in the field, look. And in a couple of hours there's going to be a few vans here. I've not made like a big thing, or not a big thing, but it's very spontaneous, so I just messaged a few people on Instagram. So sorry if I just did it sort of quickly. I've not really had time to put any like planning or anything into it. But yeah, I'll do another one at some point and make a thing of it, so everyone that couldn't make the last one will give plenty of notice, so everyone can go before I go off or whatever I do. But yeah, so this should be good. We're having a bit of a weekend. What I've done is I've invited a few people that might need a hand, or who are in the build process of their van. Thought it might be nice to give people a bit of a hand and have a chill, have a fire, a few beers, whatever, just something to do really. I think we're going to have about 10 vans here by the end of it. But there's not really a time scale on this or anything, it's just sort of the weekend and probably some of the week as well. See how we get on. God's sake, Leon, Jesus Christ. This is because I'm in the cab, and never mind. We're not going to talk about Leon anymore. Not because I don't like him, I don't hate him or anything, but he's taken over everything already, so we can at least try and keep the YouTube channel about something else. First job of the day is to dig me a little bit of a fire area, because I've only got my small fire pit and that's not going to cut it, but don't have the luxury of a big fire pit, so I'm just going to dig a hole in the ground and just try and save the turf so we can lay it back down after. That's the idea anyway. We'll give it a go. There we go. One hole in the ground. Shut up, Leo, bloody hell.
spraying. No, it won't get rusty.
Bubbles down the bottom bit, can't you?
You could, I would go at James as well. He's got an expensive one. It's coming through again.
You know what the difference is though between those ergo spatchers and the cheap Chinese ones?
475 quid.
Yeah. 500 quid. Yeah. But you know something, they are good, the ergo spatchers. And they are made to go in the T5, I'll be honest.
That sounds better.
That sounds
There
oh, yippee.
That looks like a jet engine.
Oh, right, yeah.
Oh, that's nice now.
Yeah.
Giving it some. Blow me away. Let alone keep me.
Yeah.
Take me a
I
holiday.
think it goes forward and the other goes really good.
Yeah, I'm scared of it, actually.
Take it out, she doesn't want it.
Well, no, that's what I
I like drying my hair.
Like
Yeah,
balls.
I like drying my hair.
Really good.
Polsky bloomers.
Oh yeah, fucking hell,
It's like a slug or something. Let's get horizontal. Outside.
Oh, it was daylight.
Action.
This is faff.
Bleep.
There we go.
Maybe not cut thick enough. No, not thick enough. Big enough. Bend it a bit.
Just careful, it's sharp.
Not really. It's a joke. I don't know what to do with it.
Yeah, it needs to be widened a touch.
Not on that bit there.
It's just, if I can do it. them bits with it. Hopefully that's going to be enough.
Peekaboo!
I'm not letting go, Mum.
Shake it out of him. Let go. Heavy.
Ooh.
Cheese toasty or boiled? I don't know.
No, that's a bit shit. Let's get the knife on that.
Minute. I don't want to cut my. Oh, my head's not that small. Oh no, I could, but I wouldn't be able to.
If you put your head through it.
I'm
can't
on
get
my
it back.
tiptoes as well. If I slip, I'll kill myself. Oh no, my hair.
Yeah, that's definitely going to be better, isn't it? Just bolt it. I think that's going to work pretty well, actually. Finish the job without picking the camera up again.